Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play air supply on guitar. We will start by mastering the essential open chords. Focus on C, G, F, and a minor, as these are foundational for many of their classic songs. Practice transitioning between these shapes slowly and deliberately. Aim for clear, ringing notes from every string in each chord. This solid base is crucial for your journey. Next, let's tackle strumming patterns to capture that signature air supply feel. A versatile pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Practice this rhythm until it feels natural and consistent. Pay attention to the song's tempo and try to match it. Vary your strumming dynamics, playing some parts softer and others with more emphasis to add expression. Air supply songs often feature recurring chord progressions that are easy to learn. A very common one is C, G, a minor, and F. Another popular sequence is G, E minor, C, and D. Practice these progressions repeatedly, focusing on smooth and timely chord changes. The goal is to make these transitions feel effortless, allowing you to concentrate on the music. Consistent practice is key to mastering air supply on guitar. Begin by playing at a slow tempo, ensuring accuracy, then gradually increase your speed. A metronome is an excellent tool for developing precise timing and a steady rhythm. Finally, apply all these techniques to your favorite air supply songs. You will be surprised how quickly you can play along.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.